At PAM Health Hospital in Sarasota, Florida, Gallie Electric completed a full turnkey upgrade of the hospital's backup power system, from design and permitting to final inspection. As an agency for healthcare administration regulated project, every phase met the strict standards set by the Agency for Healthcare Administration to ensure patient safety and regulatory compliance. The scope included demolishing the old chiller conductors, pouring new concrete pads, and rigging in a 300 kilowatts CAT diesel generator with a 96-hour runtime and a 2,000-gallon fuel tank. Our team managed all craning operations, coordinated F.D.E.P compliant fuel system testing, and installed the new automatic transfer switch, generator accessories, and remote annunciator. We also provided and installed the utility and generator feeders, reconnecting the hospital's chiller system to the new ATS, ensuring uninterrupted power for this critical care facility.